Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss another use case which is more in line with searching something in the reference field. So there are a couple of options when we talk about the reference fields on how to search for a particular record that we need to populate on that field on a particular form. So one option is to, let's say, click on this lookup icon. And if I want to, let's say, search for any of the user, I can simply type let's say I want to select this particular user, I can simply search for that user and uh, click on it to select it on the reference field record. And the other option that is available is I can simply type the name of the user in the caller field. For example, what I can do is I can just type in the name of the user and it will be available for selection, and then I can select it from here. Now, what if I just don't want to search with the name, but I also want to search with some other attribute? So this is the caller field on the incident form, which is in uh, backend reference to the sys underscore user table, which is present in the ServiceNow instance. So let's say I want to type in the employee number of the user, or maybe I want to type in the user ID of the user, and then I want some options to come up. So for this demo purpose, I have created a couple of records and populated them with the employee number here. Now, if I go back to the form and search with any of those employee numbers, 121, so it won't work because that configuration is not done yet. So how do we do it? How do I may enable it to be able to search with, let's say, any of these fields, like employee number is one of them. So I'm going to go to the dictionary of this field, and I am going to add an attribute which specifies which field should be enabled so that I can search typing in the value of that particular field in the reference field. So there is an attribute named ref underscore AC underscore columns, wherein I can specify which field I want to enable so that users can type in the value of that particular field and the records show up. So let's click on update now. And now we are back on the same form. So let's first check whether the name search is still working fine or not. So this is working fine. And now if I, let's say, type in the employee number, so yeah, that works fine. And I was able to search for this user. Now let's try for some other user. So I have created a couple of users over here. So now I'm going to type. So there's only one user which contains 346 in the employee number, and I was successfully able to search for it. So thank you so much for watching.